back to 60 seconds or less. Today we will be going over how to change your product image on your website. So first you're going to want to be in your products, all products. This will show you a list of all the products you have on your website. So if you hover your mouse over the name of your product, you can see edit, quick edit, trash, view, and duplicate. You want to press edit. To change your image, you scroll to the bottom, click the image to the right side of your screen, select the image that you want to change to, set product image, scroll back up and press update near the top right of your screen. Then view product. This was 60 seconds or less.